Welcome to my 7th video of the Intro to Arduino series. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I hope you've been learning a lot. This video will switch the focus back to the serial interface, where we'll be typing in commands, right? And we'll have a servo read the output and move to different locations. We'll also be reusing the circuit from the previous episode, 106, so I hope you paid attention. Now right to the IDE. But actually slowing down for a bit. Let's think this through first. We want the serial interface to read data input into it by us. Then we want to send that value to the servo. Simple enough, right? But what happens if we type in garbage, aka alphanumeric stuff that isn't good, like words or numbers that are too high for the servo to move to, or maybe even negative numbers? And what if we don't type anything at all? We need to capture these cases as we go and plan for them. Firstly, we'll utilize a nifty function built into Arduino called serialEvent. So void serialEvent, then open up our curly brackets. This is called every time new data is ready to be parsed from the serial buffer. Because we only want the program to run if there's new data, everything will be encapsulated by this function. Looking to the Arduino reference, we find a function called parseInt. We see that the function will try to return a number sent through the serial interface. Fantastic. Let's instantiate a variable. Int val is equal to serial.parseInt. This function throws away the unwanted data and only returns numbers. We can see here that characters go away, and if it has characters or non-numbers, a 0 is returned. We can use this to our advantage by saying if val is not equal to 0, then what? Then we have a number available to us. But this number might be too high. So we will have to constrain that data. Val equal to constrain val from 0 to 180, which are the valid commands for a servo. And then we write my servo dot write val. And if it's neither of these things, we just do nothing, which is at the end of the function. We can comment out this right here. And now let's upload the code. Open up the serial interface. We open up serial communication and let's send 1. Cool. I think it's already at 1 in that case. How about let's send it 90? Alright, halfway through its throw, 180. Awesome. Now let's send some garbage data, 200. A negative number goes to 0. Some random characters, nothing. That sums up our lesson for today. So thank you for watching, subscribe, stay tuned, and see ya.